So basically we're just going to change this to back to what it was. So full palette 1. I'm going to do something kind of silly just to kind of do what I was trying to do, but do it extremely generically. We're going to say option keyboard GI2 sim. So the reason why I did this is because we're going to act like this is a group input. Because really there is no difference in the way that these really act, at least at a surface level, and we'll do GI3. I did GI2 sim and GI3 sim, again, to match our register 2 and our register 3. So I'll go back to the program. Again, since I can't use this GI, we're going to change this GI back to a register, and then we're going to use my GI2 sim. Okay. So now, when we run this program, which I'll just run a quick test, shift, let's go look at data first. So you see our data, we have 10 and 10 set. Okay.